Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety and access. Park on level ground, turn off ignition, and disconnect the negative battery lead to prevent electrical shorts. Once done, fold the mirror forward and use a trim pry to remove the windshield cover or plastic bezel around the mount. You need a Torx T20 and a 10 mm wrench ready. Keep the replacement mirror nearby. This gets you directly into the mount area, so you can see the screw head and wiring harness without unnecessary steps. Now remove the mirror. Hold the mirror assembly with one hand to prevent it from falling, then use the Torx T20 or 10 mm to loosen the mounting screw or bolt. Once the fastener is backed out, gently tilt the mirror to clear the mount and access the electrical connector. Press the release tab and pull the harness straight out to avoid bending pins. Inspect the bracket and glue pad or threaded stud. Replace the stud or reglue the pad if damaged before fitting the new mirror. To install, align the new mirror assembly with the windshield stud or bracket and slide it into place until it seats. Then tighten the mounting bolt snugly. Don't over-torque. Reconnect the electrical harness, reinstall the plastic bezel or cover, and reconnect the battery negative terminal. Test mirror adjust, heating, and auto-dim functions before finishing. If a function fails, check the connector pins for bent contacts and verify the appropriate 10A or 15A fuse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.